Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying fundamentals you can fix now. Use a known good USB-C cable and a power delivery charger 18 watts or higher. This rules out weak power sources. Once connected, inspect the port under good light and use a soft brush or toothpick gently to remove lint. Do not force. Then perform a factory reset by holding power and noise control buttons for 10 seconds. This clears software hangs that often prevent charging. Next, you methodically isolate the problem. Plug the headphones into different chargers, USB ports, and cables to pinpoint a hardware mismatch. Changing one variable at a time identifies the failure. Open the Beats app or device battery widget. Look for the battery icon and firmware alerts because software can misreport charge state. If your model has a charging case, charge that alone, then the ear cups, and watch for unusual heat, elevated temperature. Finish by applying fixes based on your findings. If firmware is out of date, update through the Beats app or the host device because firmware often restores charging protocols. When diagnostics show no charge and the unit heats, consider battery or internal board replacement. Only proceed if comfortable, otherwise use authorized repair. If it still won't charge, cool the device, try again, and gather the serial number and diagnostic notes before contacting support. This speeds up service and avoids repeated troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.